Hi guys, this is a review of Watchmaker Plier. This is the plier from Horotec, Swiss made, a top-notch brand of watchmaker tools. I'm gonna show you all the angles of this plier. This plier actually have two parts, metal part and rubber part, which is a grip part. A grip, this is made of hard rubber, yellow and black. Can be used practically. Firm grip, really nice feeling of spring here. This one, they work as spring to put back to the position. Look at the finish of the rubber. It's not really nice, not really beautiful. You see some flaws, you see. They actually look like Chinese made. If you look at the rubber part. Let's move on to the next part, which is metal part. According to the information, it states that this part is made of tungsten carbide. I'm not sure it's only the jaws here or all the piece. I think just only the jaw here. Made of tungsten carbide. You can see it's very sharp and flat. From the information, it states that mold scale, this is 9 out of 10. 10 is diamond. The strength of this plier is very hard. It can be used to cut like hard material, like stainless steel, can cut rusted pins, stuff like that with ease. The mold scale is 9 out of 10. Diamond is 10 out of 10 because diamond is the hardest material on earth. This one got 9 scale, so it is very hard. You can use to cut. And I use this like for a while. I'll show you more closely. See, it's still sharp. Very well used. I normally use it to cut bracelet pins and sometimes like pull things out. Look at the brand. It doesn't really label Horotec, but it is labeled Horotec tools instead of Horotec. I don't know why. The quality and the finish of this part is really nice, beautiful. Good finish. I like it. The price of this plier is quite expensive. I bought it around 35 bucks from authorized dealer in Thailand. If I go to some stores, I can buy Chinese versions of this kind of plier in around like 4 bucks to 10 bucks, no more than this. But for me, in my opinion, I just want to use like better tool, a good tool to have like better precision, accurate using, can last long for a long time. So I decide to invest on it. I think it can be a good investment because I use it for my professional work. Even though I'm an amateur, I can use it. So if you guys have enough money, I recommend you to get this one. Plier from Horotec. I hope my review is helpful, and if you guys have any question, can leave it under the comment below. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Have a good day.